Dogecoin value kind of equivalent to $0.0680 a coin, which basically is genuinely huge. The present exchange cost range, 0.0660, 0.0692, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. The earlier day close, 0.0685 in a really significant way. The change basically was 0.0005, 0.73%. Which generally is genuinely critical. Converse rate, United States dollars to Doge, which generally is very critical. Dogecoin value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, July 3, cost $0.071, fundamentally most extreme 0.076, in every way that really matters, least 0.066. Which is genuinely huge. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, July 4, cost $0.074, sort of most extreme 0.079, especially least 0.069, which basically is genuinely huge. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, July 5, cost $0.075, truly most extreme 0.080. Truly least 0.070 in a significant way. Dogecoin conjecture on Thursday, July 6, cost $0.072, sort of greatest 0.077, certainly least 0.067, which generally is very critical. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, July 7, cost $0.073, certainly greatest 0.078, genuinely least 0.068. Which for the most part is very huge. In multi-week Dogecoin estimate on Monday, July 10, cost $0.071, for the most part greatest 0.076, in every way that really matters, least 0.066. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, July 11, cost $0.071, extremely greatest 0.076. Genuinely least 0.066, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, July 12, cost $0.069, really most extreme 0.074, especially least 0.064, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, July 13, cost $0.072, really greatest 0.077. By and large least 0.067 in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, July 14, cost $0.072, sort of greatest 0.077, by and large least 0.067, exhibiting that Dogecoin value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future, and month. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, July 3, cost $0.071. Lovely most extreme 0.076, least 0.066, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. In about 14 days Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, July 17, cost $0.075 in every practical sense, most extreme 0.080, really least 0.070. Which is genuinely critical. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, July 18, cost $0.076, most extreme 0.081, kind of least 0.071 in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, July 19, cost $0.076, most extreme 0.081. Really least 0.071 in a by and large significant manner. Dogecoin conjecture on Thursday, July 20, cost $0.076, truly greatest 0.081, truly least 0.071 in a really significant way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, July 21, cost $0.076, certainly most extreme 0.081 in every practical sense, least 0.071. Truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. In 3 weeks Dogecoin figure on Monday, July 24, cost $0.077, for the most part greatest 0.082, truly least 0.072 in a by and large significant manner. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, July 25, cost $0.078, most extreme 0.083. Essentially least 0.073. Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, July 26, cost $0.076 in every practical sense, most extreme 0.081, sort of least 0.071 in a huge way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, July 27, cost $0.076 in every practical sense, greatest 0.081, lovely least 0.071, showing how in 3 weeks Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, July 24, cost $0.077, certainly most extreme 0.082, least 0.072. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, July 28, cost $0.076, kind of most extreme 0.081, sort of least 0.071, which really shows that Dogecoin figure on Friday, July 28, cost $0.076, certainly greatest 0.081, kind of least 0.071 in an unpretentious way. In about a month Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, July 31, cost $0.076, kind of most extreme 0.081, least 0.071 in a genuinely significant way. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, August 1, cost $0.068, sort of greatest 0.073. For the most part least 0.063 in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to Doge today. United States dollars to Doge swapping scale, certainly equivalent to 14.7037 coins per $1, or so they generally thought. Today's reach, 14.4488 to 15.1584, which sort of is genuinely critical. The past day's nearby, 14.5943. Exhibiting that Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, July 5, cost $0.075, especially greatest 0.080 in every practical sense, least 0.070, or so they for the most part thought. Change for now plus 0.1094, plus 0.75%, or so they generally thought. United States dollars to Doge cost conjecture for, in the not so distant future and month, or so they explicitly thought. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Monday, July 3, cost 14.085 coins, lovely most extreme 15.152, sort of least 13.158, exhibiting that Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, July 19, cost $0.076, genuinely greatest 0.081, beautiful least 0.071, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to Doge expectation on Tuesday, July 4, cost 13.514 coins, lovely greatest 14.493, especially least 12.658, or so they sort of thought. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, July 5, cost 13.333 coins, most certainly greatest 14.286.